Good evening and welcome to another Godbrand Games SQL tutorial. I am Wale, and tonight we'll be learning how to select all the unique items from a column with SQL's built-in distinct keyword like we have here. Let's run that. Boom. Those are all the items. So I'll show you all the items in orders. So one that has, we have two keyboards, so keyboard will only show up once over here, and that's one of everything else. This one's pretty easy. You may need a apostrophe between, like right there between your select and distinct. That's the keyword that does this, depending on your compiler, and it wouldn't be crazy to think your compiler might want it like that as well. But other than that, it's pretty easy. Oh, and so I've seen some compilers have just no comma, but still respect the two lines, like Python respecting spaces. Some compilers just respect the space in general. So yeah, but other than that, this is a pretty simple one-liner on this one. It's just the select, then distinct keyword here, and then our table. We'll do another example. Our table, let's go to first names, and we'll grab all the unique first names. So first, let me back out. We have two Johns and one of everything else, so that's all that's gonna happen there. So we're only gonna see one John on the successful run from this thing. Can't believe the Bucks lost. Shout out to Baker though. He did way better than I expected. Anyways, let's run this. Boom. Success. Only one John, one of everything. And that's it. More tutorials coming, of course. So like and subscribe if you're into more SQL. And have a good night.